The 2-minute rule that tricks your brain into taking action. Imagine there's an invisible thief stealing your dreams every single day. Not failure, not bad luck, not a lack of talent. Just 2 minutes. The 2 minutes between thinking and doing. The moment you say, I'll start later. Because later becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. And suddenly, months have passed while your goals stay exactly where they started. Here's the surprising truth. Most people aren't lazy. Psychology says your brain is designed to avoid discomfort. Starting is uncomfortable. The first push-up feels uncomfortable. Opening a textbook feels uncomfortable. Writing the first sentence feels uncomfortable. So your brain tries to protect you by delaying action. And that's where the 2-minute rule changes everything. The rule is simple. If a task feels overwhelming, shrink it into something that takes less than 2 minutes to start. Not finish. Just start. Want to work out? Do 1 push-up. Want to study? Open the book and read 1 page. Want to write? Write 1 sentence. It sounds almost too simple, but there's powerful psychology behind it. Researchers call this the Zeigarnik Effect. Once the brain starts a task, it becomes mentally difficult to leave it unfinished. In other words, starting creates momentum, and momentum is often stronger than motivation. Think about a real-life example. Imagine 2 students. Both need to study for an exam. The first student waits until he feels motivated. The second student opens the book and studies for just 2 minutes. 10 minutes later, he's still studying. An hour later, he's finished an entire chapter. The difference wasn't motivation. The difference was starting. This is why successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems that make action easier. Because action creates motivation far more often than motivation creates action. And here's something most people never realize. Every big achievement you've ever admired started with a tiny action. A book started with 1 sentence. A fit body started with 1 workout. A successful business started with 1 decision. The beginning is always small. So stop waiting for the perfect mood. Stop waiting for confidence. Stop waiting for motivation. Just give yourself 2 minutes. Because the hardest part of any journey isn't the work. It's taking the first step. And once you do, your brain starts working with you instead of against you. Remember, you don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to start. For 2 minutes. And that tiny action might be the moment everything begins. If you enjoy understanding the hidden psychology behind human behavior, subscribe to Mindopsy. Because we don't just decode people's minds. We learn how to master our own. Thanks for watching.